morning students, welcome back to Shada Maths channel, and this is a continuation video of the Maths 2 Binomial Theorem, sum of the infinite series, class number 4, exercise 6b. Okay, this is the very important essay question. Now let us start the solution. The question is, if x is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 and so on, then what's the value of the 3x square plus 6x? Okay. Okay, listen. First I am writing the given series here, given that. So in the last problems, we take that the first step is we take the given step as the given series is the s here. But here there is no need to take the given series as s. Why? Because already given that the value of the series is equals to x here. Okay. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ గుర్తుందో లేదో అన్ని సమ్స్లోని ఫస్ట్ గివెన్ సిరీస్ని మనం ఎస్ అని పెట్టుకునే వాళ్ళము, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎస్ అని పెట్టుకోకర్లేదు ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ గివెన్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ హియర్. Now what is the next step? So this is x is equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by, just I am taking that 5 common from these two terms here, then it becomes 1 into 2 into 1 by 5 whole square. Okay, plus, and the next value 1 into 3 into 5 by, here also I am taking that 5 common, it becomes 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay, and so on. Now here, so actually we know that the first value of the series is equals to 1, so we have to add the 1 on both sides to this equation. That is, the next step is adding 1 on both sides. That is, which implies this becomes, so 1 plus x is equals to 1 plus, so what is the second value here? We have 1 by 5. Now I am writing this 1 by 5 as now 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by 1 into 1 by 5. Okay, without changing the second value, directly I am writing this value from the third value. The second value in just 90, just to get the formula processor, to get the formula, I am writing this value as the 1 by 1 into 1 by 5. Okay, దీన్ని ఇక్కడ నుంచి పెట్టుకున్నాం. And what's the third value? Plus this is 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 1 by 5 whole square and so on. So that's how this is the form of the formula. Now we are comparing this value with the formula. What is the formula? Here in this series all the terms are positive here. So we have to take the formula is compare with 1 minus x power minus p by q is equals to 1 plus p by 1 into x by q into p into p plus q by x by q whole square, p into p plus q by 1 into 2 into x by q whole square and so on. Okay. So this is the equation 2. Now taking the comparison of these two, okay, just take the comparison of the third value and third value of the two equations. Okay, do the comparison. What is the first value? P is equals to 1. P equals to 1. And what is the second value? P plus Q is equal to 3. P plus Q is equals to 3. And the third value, x by q is equals to 1 by 5. Okay, p is equals to 1 means here 1 plus q is equal to 3. So the value of the q is equals to 2. Now substituting this q is equal to 2 here, x by 2 is equals to 1 by 5. Then the value of the x is equal to 2 by 5. Now substituting all these values in the equations 1 and 2, just taking the LHS values. Therefore from equations 1 and 2, I am taking the LHS values of the equations 1 and 2 and substituting these values. What is the LHS of the first equation? 1 plus x. What is the LHS of the second equation? 1 minus x power minus b by q. Now substituting the values, so this is 1 plus x is equals to 1 minus x value 2 by 5 power minus 1 by 2. P value 1, q value 2. We have to replace the x value at this place only, not at this place. This is the given question, x value of the given question. ఇక్కడ ఇదేంటంటే x అనేది క్వశ్చన్లో ఇచ్చారు, ఇదేంటంటే ఫార్ములాలో x. We have to replace the x value in the formula only. Okay, that is ఇక్కడ x ప్లేస్లో పెట్టకూడదు, ఇక్కడ x ప్లేస్లో అని పెట్టాలి. This is the x of the given question. Okay, x అది క్వశ్చన్లో ఇచ్చిన x అది. So doing the LCM, it becomes 5 minus 2 by 5 power minus 1 by 2. Okay, that is 1 plus x is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. 3 by 5 power minus 1 by 2. Now removing the minus n, that is 1 plus x is equals to, reverse the fraction, then you get 5 by 3 power 1 by 2. But what's the meaning of the 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is nothing but square root, that is square root of 5 by 3. What is the given question? We want the value of the 3x square plus 6x, that is, in the next step I am doing the squaring on both sides. Then you get the value 1 plus x whole square is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, root 5 by 3 whole square is equal to 5 by 3. Now taking this expansion, it becomes 1 plus x square plus 2x is equals to 5 by 3. Now doing the cross product, 3 into 1 plus x square plus 2x is equals to 5, which implies multiplying all these values here, then you get 3 plus 3x square plus 6x is equals to 2. But what's the given question? We want the value of the 3x square plus 6x. So the value of the 3x square plus 6x is equals to 5 minus 3. That is equals to 2. That's all. This is the answer. Therefore, the value of the 3x square plus 6x is equal to 2. Okay? Understand all of you? Most important question. So the next problem, if x is equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 and so on. So the proof that 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. Okay, same procedure. So here also given that the given series is equal to x here. No need to take the given series is equal to s here. One mali s and this already given as this equals to x. Okay. So first write the series value x is equal to this one. Actually here I am taking the 2-term fraction and 3-term fraction. We have to take the simplification up to 3-term fraction only. Then only we will get the answer very easily. No need to take the 4 terms fraction. మీరు 3 టైమ్స్ ఉండే టర్మ్ వరకు తీసుకుంటే అక్కడతో కంపారిజన్ యాక్చువల్లీ 2 టైమ్తోనే కంపారిజన్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇది కూడా పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 2 టైమ్స్ తీసుకున్నా తీసుకోకపోయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే లెట్ us start the procedure. X is equal to, what is the next step here? 1 into 3 by, here see here 3 6, 3 common, taking the 3 common here, then what you get 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 whole square. Okay, here also this is 1 into 3 into 5 by, here also I am taking the 3 common, then what you get 1 into 2 into 3 by 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. We want the first and second values. What are the first and second values? The first value is 1. Already we know that always the first term of the series is equals to 1. 1 plus, what is the second value? P by 1 into x by q. How to take that value? Just simply take the first fraction, this value, that is adding 1 by 1 into 1 by 3. Very simple. To get the second value, simply have to take this number and this number, 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 on both sides. That's all. Adding these values on both sides of this equation. Okay, that is, add the values. 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus 6 is equals to, here also adding the same value, 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus, what's the third value we have here? 1 into 3 by 1 into 2, 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3, 1 by 3 whole cube. That's all. Okay, over. ఇక్కడ వరకు చేస్తే మీకు వచ్చేసినట్టే. ఇక్కడ నుంచి సేమ్ ప్రొసెసర్, జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో ద procedure, how to get the formula here, how to convert the given question as in the form of the formula. That is the only procedure. Okay, now doing the comparison. So see here all the terms are close to, then what is the formula we have to use here? 1 minus x power minus p by q is equals to 1 plus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 1 into 2 into x by q whole square, p into p plus q by 1 into 2 into x by q whole square. Okay, and so on. So say equation 2. Now doing the comparison, take the third value, p is equals to 1. The first value p is equals to 1. Next, p plus q is equals to 3. Next, x by q is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, doing the comparison, p plus q, x by q. So p is equal to 1, substituting that value, 1 plus q is equal to 3, so the value of the q is equal to 2. Substituting q value here, x by 2 is equals to 1 by 3, x is equal to 2 by 3. Now substituting the two values in the equations. Therefore from equations 1 into, taking the LHS values of these two series, that is LHS value of the first equation, 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus x is equals to LHS value of the second series, 1 minus x power minus p by q. Okay, now replacing the values, 1 plus 1 into 1 into 3. So this is 1 by 3 only, 1 by 3 plus x is equal to, now we have to replace all the 3 values in this one only, in the formula only, that is x is equal to 2 by 3, p is equals to 1, q is equal to 2. Now doing the LCM, this becomes 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 by 3 plus x is equals to 3 minus 2 by 3 power minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is 4 by 3 plus x is equals to, this is 1 by 3 power minus 1 by 2. Again doing the LCM, it becomes 4 plus 3x by 3 is equals to, now taking the reverse fraction here and removing this minus sign, this becomes 3 power 1 by 2. Now squaring on both sides. Before that, taking the cross product, 4 plus 3x is equal to, writing this 3 to this side, 3 into 3 power 1 by 2 is nothing but root 3. Okay, now squaring on both sides, then you get that 4 plus 3x whole square is equal to 3 root 3 whole square. Okay, what's the given question? You want the value of the 9x square plus 24x. For that reason, I am doing the squaring on both sides. Now taking the expansion, a square 16, b square 9x square plus 2ab. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24x is equal to 3 square 9 root 3 whole square 3. 9 into 3, 27. Okay, so 9x square plus 24x is equals to 27 minus 16. That is equals to 11. Therefore, the value of the 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. That's all. This is the answer. The most important problem. Very, very important. Okay. ఇప్పటికి నేను 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయితే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఇంకొక 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దోస్ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఈ 12 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు చేసుకుంటే కనుక డెఫినెట్లీ యూ విల్ అటెంప్ట్ ద ఎస్సీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పేపర్. డైరెక్ట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద 6 మార్క్స్. మీకు 6 వీడియోస్ 7 మార్క్స్. 6 వీడియోస్ సేమ్ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, గ్యారంటీ ఎస్సీ క్వశ్చన్. ఈ 6 వీడియోస్ నుంచి 1 ఎస్సీ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు అటెంప్ట్ చేసేసినట్టే. ఓకే.